Gangster movie, Denzel Washington, freaking Training Day with Denzel Washington.
Best gangster. What's the best TV show ever created?
Honestly, for me,
It's
Sesame Street. Yeah, Sesame Street is a classic.
What's the best TV show? What's the best documentary ever created?
And Wayman with the Dustin Hoffman.
Best documentary? The one that 50 Cent did about Diddy.
Blindside.
Okay. Classic.
on a true
Classic.
story.
A
Denzel
Beautiful
playing
Mind.
Frank
A Beautiful
Lucas.
Mind
That
and
was
Wayman with
classic.
the Dustin
Escape from
Hoffman.
Alcatraz is good.
This is so beautiful that I don't even want to stop you. This is almost 2 minutes, but fuck it, whatever. This is so good.
I made it short up.